Have you ever wondered how the iconic Ram 1500, one of America's most powerful and popular trucks, is built from scratch? What goes on inside the massive factory that transforms raw steel into this beast on wheels? Today we're taking you inside the Ram production line, where precision meets power, and skilled workers and robots work together to create one of the most popular trucks in the USA. Buckle up, because what you're about to see will completely change the way you look at truck manufacturing. The Ram 1500 isn't just a truck. It's a symbol of American engineering. Millions of people trust it for work, adventure, and everyday life. But creating a Ram 1500 is no small task. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the entire factory process, from stamping raw steel to the final inspection before it hits the road. You'll see how humans and machines work side by side to build this incredible truck. Every Ram 1500 begins as sheets of high-strength steel. These massive rolls of steel are unrolled and fed into giant stamping machines. Here, the steel is pressed into precise shapes that will eventually become the truck's body panels: doors, hood, roof, fenders, and the bed. The stamping process is extreme precision engineering. Robots and human operators carefully monitor the process, ensuring that every panel meets exact specifications. One wrong move could ruin an entire panel, which is why quality checks happen at every stage. The sound of the stamping presses is deafening, like a heartbeat of the factory. Watching these enormous machines pound steel into shape is mesmerizing. Each strike is perfectly timed, and the precision is astonishing. Workers wear protective gear and constantly inspect each panel for imperfections, ensuring that only the best materials move forward. Once all the panels are stamped, they move to the body assembly area. This is where the truck begins to take its recognizable shape. Giant robotic arms lift and position each panel with millimeter accuracy. Human welders and technicians are on standby, making sure every connection is flawless. Welding isn't just about joining metal, it's about strength and durability. The Ram 1500 needs to withstand years of heavy-duty work, from towing to off-road adventures. Robots perform thousands of spot welds per truck, while humans check alignment and add reinforcements where needed. The synergy between humans and machines here is incredible. It's a ballet of precision and power. By the end of this stage, the Ram 1500 frame and body are fully welded, forming a solid skeleton ready for the next phase: painting. Next comes the painting process, one of the most critical stages in the factory. The body of the Ram 1500 is first cleaned and prepped to remove any impurities. Then, a series of robotic sprayers coat the truck with primer, base coat, and clear coat. The process ensures that the paint is perfectly even and will resist scratches, corrosion, and the harshest weather conditions. Inside the paint booth, it's almost like stepping into another world. The air is filtered to microscopic levels to prevent dust from settling, and the robots move with such precision that you can see your reflection in the wet paint. Each color of Ram 1500 is carefully calibrated, so whether it's classic black, pearl white, or a bold red, every truck looks flawless straight from the factory, while the body is getting its stunning finish. The engine and drivetrain are being assembled separately. The Ram 1500 offers several engine options, from V6s to powerful V8 Hemis. Technicians carefully assemble each engine, installing pistons, crankshafts, and other components with incredible precision. Any mistake could impact performance, so attention to detail is critical. Once assembled, engines are rigorously tested on dynamometers to ensure they meet performance and efficiency standards. Transmission systems are also assembled, from manual components to the latest automatic gearboxes. This is where raw power meets precision engineering, and every part must work perfectly in harmony. Now, the truck is ready for final assembly. The painted body moves along conveyor belts to the assembly line, where the engine, suspension, axles, and drivetrain are installed. Skilled technicians bolt, connect, and calibrate every part to perfection. Interior components, such as seats, dashboards, and infotainment systems, are added next. Every wire is routed, every screw tightened, every component tested. At this stage, the Ram 1500 is almost complete, but the attention to detail continues. Workers check alignment, test doors, hoods, and tailgates, and make sure every interior feature works flawlessly. Even the smallest imperfections are corrected before the truck moves to testing. Before leaving the factory, every Ram 1500 goes through rigorous quality control. Technicians perform visual inspections, electronic system checks, and mechanical tests. Trucks are driven on special factory tracks to test braking, suspension, and handling. Only trucks that pass every test move on to shipping. This ensures that each Ram 1500 meets the high standards customers expect when they buy one. It's fascinating to see the mix of human skill and technology working together. Robots handle repetitive, precise tasks, while humans provide oversight, problem-solving, and fine adjustments. Together, they create a vehicle that is both reliable and impressive, a true American truck. After final inspection, the Ram 1500 trucks are loaded onto transport carriers and shipped to dealerships across the country. From here, they'll find their way into the hands of proud owners, ready for work, adventure, or everyday driving. The journey from raw steel to a fully functioning road-ready truck is long, complex, and fascinating. So next time you see a Ram 1500 on the road, remember the incredible teamwork, precision, and dedication that went into building it. From stamping and welding to painting and final testing, every truck is a testament to American engineering. If you want to see more behind-the-scenes videos of your favorite cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because we've got more incredible factory tours coming your way.
Secure the wire harness on the left side.
Harness is secure. Checking grill alignment now.
This one's secure, send it down. Copy that, moving to the next station. Check the alignment on this side. Looks good from here, keep it moving. Alignment looks good on this side. Fit and finish check complete, looks solid.